Hi friends, this is Emily with TikTok English. Let's do more pronunciation practice. We all love pronunciation practice. Today, a spelling and pronunciation tip. The English alphabet has 26 letters. 26 letters. 21 of those letters are consonants. And only 5 of the letters are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And these are the problem letters usually. These are very, very difficult. One problem is, in English we have 10, 12, 14 vowel sounds. Depends on your accent. And we have only 5 letters to describe the sounds. So it gets complicated. Here's an example. These 2 vowels together, OA, my students want to say Aaaa because my students are very intelligent. OA, Aaaa. But no, in English, usually OA is pronounced O. Just O, not OA, O. For example, soap. You wash your hands with soap. Not soap, not soap, but soap. Another example, boat. Boat. We don't say boat, we say boat. And roach, like a cockroach. Cockroach. We don't say roach, it's roach. So practice with me one more time. Soap, boat, roach. When you see OA, usually pronounce O. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at TikTok English, subscribe to me on YouTube, and you can apply to the school I direct, instituteace.org.